Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yeah, let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. I had an overnight trade here. I just liquidated there. It was by mistake that I held that again, and I just think I won't keep anything because whenever I go to work during the afternoon, if I don't have time to look at anything, yesterday I didn't have a choice, so I couldn't liquidate. So stay there. So, but yeah, I think I'm gonna be holding trade for the rest of the day for a little bit. But let's see what we do. So, sorry, the market is still like sideways-ish, but there we go. That's the open. But yeah, look at the mega tanking, just like at the same time, it's like below the 200 moving average in the 1 minute and in the 5 minutes. So I kind of don't know what to do with that. Like probably it's a short again, but yeah, let's try to be nimble and wait for something that really manifests. So Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing, you are kidding. I am doing very well. I put some orders, it didn't get me by a penny.
I see that.
You just want to cry. So I'm doing well, Davey. How about you? How are you doing? Oh, market's
Nice.
popping.
Yeah, good here too. You know, doing our things. So let's see what we get here. And yeah, like the Nvidia, as I say, I hold it overnight, but it was not my intention. So uh, the market didn't flip. If you see, we are still trapped in the same range than yesterday. Like those are the lines.
Yeah. Isn't
So
that crazy?
yeah, it's insane. But like, hey, well, what can we do? So just like be patient. Like, yeah, let's see. Nvidia wants to go higher, apparently. So let's see if we get something at that 200. So I got Nvidia long. Do you have any trade already? BBAI yet?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
your BBAI, yeah, I know.
And you have Nvidia long?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I just got SoFi. Look at SPY. What happened? Davey.
To be honest, I don't know, Marie.
Ah!
Um, what the heck was that? What day is it today? It's on Tuesday. Like I see, like everything is just going really crazy right now. The VIX seems to be very quiet, so I don't know why. Do you hear anything about it?
Nope. I'm listening, but no. Holy cannoli.
Yeah, I had a long time without seeing a flush like that. At least everywhere. Like, did you see PLTR? Like, you just flushed $5 in 5 minutes. Nvidia at least was just like, it has been like about $1 something, but hey, okay. What? Did you make a hotkey mistake on the market?
Holy crap.
There is buying going on in there. That's a for sure. It's just that if that buying we are not pumping up, it's like I'm gonna try to check the sources that I have, like DJT and things like that, just to see if something was said that I'm in a good mood today.
I like that.
Yeah, it's. I'm sorry because I was a little bit distracted when at the beginning when we met each other today, but that thing got me a little bit busy. You know what? We are
Yeah.
not gonna mention that, but yeah, it's.
I bet.
Where can I see that? Here, I think. I need my lava. I should be adding to the Nvidia, but I want to be cautious because like I really don't know what was that flush. So until we get like more solid information, I prefer to not do anything crazy. Do you know what is Bloody up to? No, you don't know.
Hmm?
Do you know what Bloody is up to or not?
Mm-mm.
Okay. With those flushes, I probably gonna start to look for a short somewhere, and I just don't know exactly where I want to look for the short right now. But
There seems to be popping happening.
yeah, exactly. No, look at SPY. Like SPY is nicely recovering back up,
Mm-hmm.
but the equities keep flushing a little bit too much. That's what I kind of don't know why. Okay, so I say I was going to check through social media. I don't see anything. So like there is actually positive comments about the economy. Um, he's in Fox and Friends from 8. Trump is in Fox and Friends. So any tremory?
Yeah, I still have my BBI. I still have SoFi. Look at.
I asked you, and I said like it was Nvidia that was going like whoop. Yes, I said, ooh, that's gonna go down. So as I say, I'm gonna try to look for a short. I just don't know exactly where and what I want to short. But let's PLTR man is okay. So let's take a look at everything. So very quick here. PLTR is quite extended. Okay. Okay, so put BDA we say was doing. Oh my goodness, PLTR. So I think until this state to be true.
It's just, it literally thinks it's in the pinball machine.
You know how this satellite looks like?
Mm.
Let me see.
What does that look like?
That looks like global conflict.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. Let's wait for the news. Notice that there is only 1 minute. Like that's Nvidia,
Mm-hmm.
PLTR, Amazon, AMD. AMD is looking better there. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
T,
At least it's consolidating.
Microsoft,
Apple,
Apple was looking good too.
Tesla.
Tesla was looking good too. Decent, I mean, like.
At least not making lower lows.
I'm adding to Tesla. I have a trade on Tesla right now. A day trade on Tesla, and I have another there that I'm trying to get, but it went by the penny and it didn't get me. And I need to let it go for it to get me first. Palantir is $8 under the water. Top. Yeah, I got a little bit more Tesla. Tesla has that fish tail everywhere. Like
Tesla's doing it, eh? Oh God, yeah.
Yeah. Breaking over the top. INTC is looking good too.
Mm-hmm. I had an order at 24.50 and an order at 25. Guess who didn't get it?
By the penny.
Like, damn. Damn. I kept SoFi on the long and just added, bettered my price. Holy cannoli. Let's choose
SoFi?
this. Yeah, let's choose this. Team is on deck.
It's like, what the heck are you doing?
20's on deck. Let's go. Let's go. No. There we go. First partial is going to be at the PCL. Ugh. I'm getting a migraine.
Oh yeah?
My visions.
Didn't sleep well.
I guess not. I'm not sure. I thought I did. So your Tesla short?
Yeah, but it's very crappy trade. About to get blocked.
So what did you get? No, but what were your indicators for?
Yeah, I didn't know we were. Oh no, it's the opposite. Okay, it's saying it's mute when we are not. Okay, wait for. Now it's correct. Oh, yeah. So NVDA, so we forget about that one. What are you trading, Marie? So far yet?
SoFi and still my hold on BBAI. And you, Davey, you still Tesla short?
Still Tesla short.
This thing's gonna take off, Davey.
Yeah. I doubted, Marie, to be honest,
You doubt what?
that we're gonna go higher. That's why I'm holding Tesla, but like at the same time, the trade on Tesla is wrong. I don't suggest anybody to do that, and I hope you guys are not doing that. Uh, the Tesla is just is. If I get myself out, it's gonna block me. If you get me out, it's gonna block me. So I made peace with them with a bad decision there, but it is a bad decision. It's just like uh, in the longer term of this day of today.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Tesla, Apple, they are strong-ish, like INTC. But the selling that was going on in there, I will be expecting more of that to come. And if that comes a little bit, like let's say SPY right now, I don't know what is SPY is. Yeah, it's still fighting with the PCL.
Mm-hmm.
If SPY lose it for good, Tesla is also gonna lose it for good. So I can be like breaking even or making some money on it. But I believe in the downtrend today for longer. Like yesterday, they didn't flip. Apparently, there is more selling to be done. And today we see like probably they puked the sell today, but like
New high for SPY.
yeah, there we go. So like, did they puke the sell or not? If they puke the sell today, Tesla is gonna get me out, and I'm gonna hit maximum loss for the day. If it doesn't, if they didn't just puke the sell, and the reason why the selling that is going on today is because of another reason, it's just gonna keep making lower low. But as I say, I am responsible of my thing, but like it's still a bad decision, and like
Okay.
I open my metrics thing here just to have to go back to that and stop doing those things. But yeah, let's see. SPY making higher high, I see. Finally.
You stinky dog. SPY is out of range. Completely out of range.
So let's see. SPY. It is out of range, but you haven't cleared up. You haven't cleared it up. Like it's fighting with the top. So
What top, David?
you have to zoom out for you to be able to see it. But
I don't have good vision at the moment.
no, it's just my technique to get it, because I have so many screens, to get it just to one corner. You see? That 6390, 64, 644 is where it was topping.
It'll go through.
Yeah, it looks like. But I will believe it when I see it.
But of course. Hey?
I trust you, so I think if you say it's gonna go through, it's gonna go through.
No, I don't. It's the tape.
What I don't trust is a SPY.
It's the tape.
Very good coffee, Marie.
Oh, you made it. I know.
You
it's
made
delicious. It is delicious. Oh, Fed's speaking on Bloomberg. PLTR 64 sounds interesting.
Yeah. Like, you need to hold for a couple of days, or like, yeah.
They've been really critical of PLTR lately, so on the news, on evaluation, financial world are saying it's just way too overpriced. So
The problem with that is, and you will hear Sean saying that time after time, and that's why I was asking you, who was it who said it? Because sometimes there are some of them that just say that when they are like having a position to buy. So they say it, you tank or sink a little bit, and they get a little bit better deal. It seems like the one of the most I see the reliable ones when Jeffries, they when they downgrade or things like that, or they say those type of comments, like it seems to be more legit, I think. But at the same time, like J.P. Morgan is legit too. I mean, like these people have very reliable info, and like you know, it's tricky to really handle on that, because you see it sometimes. Say overpriced, you go all the way up. This time overpriced, so it went all the way down. Because that was what, like Friday or Thursday that they began with that conversation.
I think it was Thursday. Yeah, because Friday I wasn't here.
Yeah, it was Thursday. So
Oh, I ain't. Oh. Oh. La 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 la.
that
On its way
one,
to
how it didn't got you?
27.
Because you put your order before. So your order is wrong.
Well, Davy.
No. I mean your order. Look what it's saying. The type of order
INTC.
you have there is wrong.
Smart long.
It's not smart. It's smart.
What's smart? Okay, so that's what it is. Because I should have gotten it.
Yeah. Yeah, like if you say L, that L doesn't mean long, like. But in there, like it's supposed to say
type long.
S. No, but it's supposed to be S.
Limit. It's a limit.
Yeah, exactly. That's why you didn't get it. So you're supposed to say S, because that's type is limit, a stop loss, a stop limit, a bracket, whatever. But like
I always take limit.
yeah, but you cannot take limit when you are going up, like because you put that order there when the price was below. You see, you put that order there at that candle right here.
Yeah.
So because you put a limit order, when it crossed through, like your limit is right there. It's a crossing through with momentum. It won't get you. You're supposed to have a stop loss in there. That's supposed to say S, not L. And when you say S, is that when it across that, it will get you above that price. The only way it will get you there is that if when you do this, it will go back in there. If you go back below 100, which you could be intentionally doing that too. But in this case, because it went up and it never came back, you never have the chance of filling you up at a limit of 100 and less, not 100 and more.
Okay, I feel like twirling my head now. My hair.
No, it's okay. Like I like it's like
Are you sure about that?
I'm 100% sure. Because when you go, when you are like if the stock is going up,
Mm-hmm.
and you are going up because of the momentum, and you wanna go in just when it reach X price, when it reach a higher price, it has to be a stop loss, like a stop order. A stop order only get triggered when you get there, and once it get triggered, it become on a market order. But if it's a limit, like in this case, if you have the order there,
Mm-hmm.
when it across there, it activate the order, and when you go back in, you fill it up. When it goes with a stop, it activated and it become automatically on a market order. No, it doesn't become on a limit order. Like the main reason why Tesla trade is so annoying to me, it's a mistake I did, and I have said it 100 times already. So
Mm-hmm.
it's not blaming myself or anything. It's just saying like the reason why it is so annoying. Look at the moving average, like the two green lines here. Like I have a rule that say if it's above,
You don't take.
you don't take shorts. If it's below, unless you have been spending like there are specific conditions under which yes.
Mm-hmm.
But for the more common trade, which is this is the most common trade, you say no. Oh my god, you don't do that.
Not on that.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, sorry, Marie.
Not at all, did I was wide.
Okay. I'm getting a headache too.
Uh-oh.
How we call it, the beauty of aging.
The pleasure of aging.
The pleasure of aging. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. If you're there, You know how effed I am? You're
No.
half my age, buddy.
To be honest, I think the problem is that sometimes we push it too much.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I didn't sleep in as much as I would have liked to this weekend.
During the weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I find that for me was like a Monday, the day I didn't sleep. The weekend either, like I mean, is but like there is a threshold to what is acceptable, and like then this is what I would like to. So, like let's say just say I reached the acceptable one, because this morning I opened my eyes. It was like 4 a.m. and I say like, well, I should be able to sleep at least 1 more hour. So I just stayed quiet there, and I went through another hour,
Nicely done.
and more than 1 hour, maybe an hour and a half, something like that. But normally that's my mistake in there. Like I wake up at that time, and then I say, "Oh, I don't want to sleep anymore," and I wake up, and then it's like you're
Instead
busy.
of taking care of yourself, you're taking care of business.
Yeah. So during the weekend, I took a nap, like, but it was like 15 minutes, and then like I say, "Hey, you still going?" Like I say, "Yeah, yeah," because it was right before the picnic.
Oh, okay.
Like I fall asleep for a couple minutes, and
15 minutes. Did it help?
yeah, I help, but like it wasn't intentional. Like it's just like yeah, we know we have sleep behind to do.
Mm.
But like let's say you are in retirement, like
It's almost a rule that we have that you cannot sleep during the day.
okay. That was like it was not exactly what I was going to ask, but I was going to ask like
Yeah, no. Unless
like how
we're
come you
sick.
cannot plan like hey, this is my time to sleep and this is the time I'm gonna sleep, like
Yeah.
it's,
Well, first of all, I trade in the morning. And once we wake up, for us to go back, we need to be sick. Like for Joey needs to be sick. Like if he sleeps during the day, call his doctor. Something
like-
is wrong.
this is gonna sound like probably awkward, but like have you ever tried the evening naps, like let's say you eat lunch, whatever, like which for you is even healthier.
Afternoon, you mean?
Yeah, afternoon. Like you just eat lunch, you wait like maybe half an hour, and then you take a little nap. Like that's sweet. I mean, like I remember seeing my grandpas doing that, and grandma is like, I said, what the heck is this? And like, yes, we are not all like that, but what I'm saying is like,
Well, we are in our case, yeah, we are
I
grandparents.
did enjoy it. Like,
We're grandparents.
yeah, but like let's say,
Not you, but Joe and I.
but what I mean is like, if I'm my age, I am able to enjoy it. Like you should be able to enjoy it too, no?
I like that.
It doesn't have to be a lot. It's like half an hour, and you feel that you
Oh.
recharge. Like what the heck did happen there?
I agree with you. Because sometimes it doesn't take much, right? To recharge. Oof. And it's so sweet. Well, to your point, SPY made a higher high, this day higher high, but didn't cross yesterday's at 6.
Yeah, like if you remember yesterday when we were saying like if we were trading like Renji as it was, like basically now if you will look short at the round up price, but as I say, I'm not convinced of it. It's just But I'm not convinced of any of the things because just that it's like trapped in there. We should be listening to Donald Trump at Fox and Friends. You disagree.
Hmm?
You disagree.
Oh no, I think we should. Do you want to put it on?
I will have to put this on mute. Let's see, but we can take a quick look at that. It should be done already because it was this morning. No, it's not in YouTube. Right, we are back. So we were looking for Trump interview this morning, but like we didn't find the interview and we didn't find anything very relevant that we want to look at. So news related, as everything is kind of selling off.
Mm-hmm.
Entre pobres yo nací, entre pobres me crié. Entre pobres voy viviendo y entre pobres moriré. X yo vivo, solo diciendo que sí se cumple nuestro destino. Pirin, 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 pirin. Marie, tell us a joke. Tell us something.
A joke.
You should be good for that.
I am so bad for that. Like for stories, yes,
I
but
don't
for
so.
jokes, I don't I laughed them so hard, I think I block after. It's incredible. Like sometimes I'll laugh a joke, like people say, "You gotta be kidding! It's not that funny." It's so funny. I don't remember. Oh, my G kids, like what they come up with sometimes. I say, hey, I got a joke for you, Mamere, and oh my God, I laugh them so hard. Even my daughter sometimes says, really? Fuck, I can't remember. Oh, you're good at that. Tell us one.
I don't have any right now that I remember, so if I remember, I can say it.
Okay. You do the voice, you do the whole thing.
You're funny.
It's true.
Yeah, I need to find, to be honest, I need to find new source of jokes.
Material?
New material, yeah, I need to find new material because I'm behind there, you know, like
Holy market.
Holy market.
It's just not right. Oh, that's interesting.
Había una mosca pegada a la pared. Había una mosca pegada a la pared.
¿Qué?
There is a song that says, a kid's song that says, there is a fly stick to the wall. But it's not a joke, it's just a kid's song. Entre pobres yo nací. Maria.
My phone was off.
How come?
No. Like my phone, my ringer.
Mm.
Notification.
Okay. PLTR almost $11 down. Incredible.
What's going on there?
I won't say I told you, but you know what I meant.
Yeah, you've been saying it for a while, right? That it's been overpriced.
No, I'd never say that.
Yeah.
What?
PLTR. Look at PLTR is so high. No.
No. I say it is high, but I don't think it's overpriced. It's actually the opposite, in my opinion.
Really?
Like PLTR at $100, $150 should be a good price to buy. No financial advice for anybody, but I think so.
Okay.
Of course, like the volatility in there is brutal, so anybody that buy PLTR need to be able to digest a lot of volatility. Like kind of like Tesla, you know. Because that's something that happens like many times, that people buy an investment like, and they kind of don't have very clear what is the worst case scenario. So I wouldn't say that it's because of they didn't know. It's just like a miscalculation most of the time, and they see their investment like pulling back, and it's like they freak out. Like how common it is that they sell and then they go back, and like that happened to Bill Ackman. Like Bill Ackman is Bill Ackman, you know. So, but he sold Netflix. It was like $400 million deal. I don't know, something like that. And he sold it like brutal. Like I mean, like he just got out of the trade with a big loss. That was about 3 years ago. Next day, right back up. Like
no.
What he didn't like as a model of business, people love it. And then yeah, like let's see if I find any story like. And like something that he has, and everybody knows that, is that he like to go to those companies, put X chunk, and then go and tell them what to do. And Netflix didn't like that, and many other companies didn't like that.
So he goes in there, buys it, and then tells them what to do.
Yeah, like because you know, like for you to gain these rights, you have to have like.
Yeah, 51%.
Not 51%. No, it's like you. No, it's that like. I think anything above 10% will like give you a voice. I don't know the specific threshold, but I know that he is one that have been criticized by buying enough to gain this voice in there, and then like being too opinionated and like too telling much people what to do with their companies. And like yeah, so well, he's the one that have the millions. or the billions. I don't know what is. It should be billions. Yeah, actually, net worth is 13. Yeah, 9.5 billion dollar. This is a mil. Mil is billion, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
million.
yeah. So, like 9,000.5 millions. So Bill Ackman and Netflix. Yeah, Netflix loss actually said. Oh, I think that was the amount that he lost. Yeah, he lost $400 million in Netflix. Stock is tracking a 400 million loss as shares
Wow.
tumble, and he just got out of the trade, like right that, like he lost the amount and he got out, and a little bit later, it's like Netflix doubled it. It's crazy.
That is crazy.
But that's what I mean. Like these people have a team, just like a team of people, just per stock, like single stock. Like there are stocks that I know that like J.P. Morgan have like 28, 27 analysts, just analyzing one stock. Yeah, and
And then you wonder why these people make it. Oh, the cannoli.
yeah, like about how many? Let's see. How many?
Ooh, what happened to Tesla?
I told you. Do I have to say I told you so?
Woo!
That's
Good job, David.
it's a bad job, but thank you for your compliment. It's look, they say J.P. Morgan Chase does not have a set number of analysts per stock, rather 60 analysts from various financial institutions, and here I say have around 5,900 advisors and 1 trillion of assets under supervisions.
Wow.
5,900 advisors. Like what the heck?
Who kills him?
So when they are gonna drop the pump? you know.
No.
I'm just waiting for it. You know, it's a bad way to be right. You know, like Tesla. This is a bad holding here. This is a really bad holding for me. Like I was lack of discipline here, lack of everything.
Well, why do you say? Because it's working?
No, you
Oh,
could say,
because it went to the top.
Because it went to where it went. Like
And you didn't add.
I didn't do it. No, I was. If I add it, it will block me because if I add it, then the piano will like really register in the whatever thing is blocking. So
Oh, so you couldn't have added and bettered your price.
I could add with the risk of you will get blocked immediately. Like if I add and it move like 50 cents against me,
Mm-hmm.
it would like just register a bigger loss, probably blocking. So what are you trading, Marie?
Still the same. Now
So
I'm just
far?
looking at PLTR at 161. Looks interesting for a possible bounce. When we're looking at the last few candles on PLTR 161, we definitely found a lot of interest. So, but
Yeah.
I've got to.
Let's take a little break. We're gonna be back in a bit. All right. So basically, PLTR just keep going down there. Like right now, it's trying to pop up, but how much can you do after that big sell-off? That's a big question.
Mm-hmm.
And I would like to take a quick look at NVDA. As I'm glad I came out of that thing. I never touched it again, but like even Nvidia sell off like about $4. So Tesla is the one that was pumping up. Now
Hey, we
looking
found
weird.
some buyers.
Yeah, like but look at the volume, how it's going down while it's going up. The price is going up, but the volume is really really going down. And or you were talking about another stock that wasn't
Nope.
Tesla? It was SPY. You were talking about SPY.
Mm-hmm.
SPY. Oh, SPY have like oof. Yeah, the volume is decent now. The Apple is a bit in that one. In those flush, yeah, as well too. Okay. One of the big difference with SPY today is that it is not trap.
No,
Like
that's true, right? We had that before
yeah, like yesterday it was trap
between the two.
between the two moving average, but like right now it's not. So it's I will say probably it's just a matter of time for it to keep going down. I could add now to the trade on Tesla, but I don't want to add because Tesla is Tesla, and you know, like
It can travel.
yeah, like I know it sounds like a stupid comment, but what I mean is like normally my stop loss is between 15 cents to $1, and in Tesla you have to have easy like $5 stop loss. So I don't want to have that, and like I don't want to add and then being on a rush. So I prefer that if I am correct in my analysis today, which I didn't execute correctly at the beginning, but let's say if I am correct about that, Tesla is going to keep going down and the rest of the market is going to keep going down for a little bit until it really finds some buyers as aggressive as it's found. As aggressive as it found the sellers this morning. Like that selling was just brutal. Like Tesla, you cannot see it that clear. But let's say you look at PLTR, and yes, PLTR is already it was selling for a couple of days, but I don't think that the selling is related just to the downgrade on price or whatever.
You don't think so?
No, yeah, like look at Nvidia, and we haven't been downgraded either. So, what was the other hood probably? Yeah, look, but hood was well, yeah, the same thing. AMD was popping, and I'm pretty sure that yeah, now it's not popping anymore. So. Which right now I look at it and I say like, when were you popping? Because I maybe just look at that one wrong. Microsoft. Like notice that today I'm looking at Microsoft and at Google, at Apple. The only reason why I am doing this
Oh God!
is because if there is no news related, like there is not a piece of news that we can attach to the sell-off right now. You want to know how they are doing exactly. So.
The mag said.
50 cents.
Holy.
Look at SPY.
641. No. Okay, like SPY is down. 2 point, oh my god, 2.3.
Dollar?
No. Yeah, $2.3, yeah.
Yeah, percentage is only 0.37%.
That's it.
We have a long time without having a 2% down. Are we going to have that today? That's what you're saying?
I think that's what I'm saying.
You know what? I think probably we're gonna get to the EMA, like the moving average, SMA. Sorry, that's an EMA, but can it get there in one day? I don't think so. But we might get there by the end of the week. Oh, honey. So if I want to look for a trade, let's say that I don't have Tesla right now, and I want to look for a trade right now, what will be that thing that will be trading with the tape that makes sense to me? So INTC, the tape, it's a little bit more bearish right now than bullish, but it's looking kind of healthy for the long. Probably at 25, but that's 50 cents from now. So which implies that you can go toward the downside with a 50-50 chance. So NVIDIA, the tape on NVIDIA is clearly looking short yet, which I kind of don't know why, but because that tape was bullish at the open. Yeah, it's only bullish above the 180. So then PLTR, this is the one that have been killed today. Really unfortunate for PLTR. And for PLTR, we have a decent size at 162. 162 is right there. When we look at the 1 minute chart, it's looking good enough in my opinion. It's just like that was very damaging there. But yeah, for sure, the 162 is probably a good long. But just notice that from here to here, like just that little interaction right there, is a $1 flush. Like, I mean, this looks the way it looks, but like whenever it moves, it's gonna move. It's moving a lot. Like, I mean, I'm waiting for my Epic Pen that is opening. Okay, so basically, like what I'm saying is that from here to here is more than $1. About $1. It's actually $1. It's 61. So just that interaction here is $1. So this is a little bit more than $1. If we go to the VWAP, is $2.70. So just going to the VWAP. So what I'm saying here, you're gonna have to use wider stop loss probably on that one. So far, that tape is looking bearish to me. Onto the 2280. Yeah, 2280. Actually, the 2380 looks good too. But did you see the 2250? 990 lot.
No.
Yeah, there is a big lot at 2250. 992.
You got small eyes too.
Yeah, as I said, I was getting a headache. I am getting a headache. So it's like it's getting there, but like I won't complain. So so far, AMD actually. So yeah, like AMD is the next one. So AMD, man, probably short from 169.50, which is pretty much right there. That's a healthy volume here. Yeah, that looks long, not short. Sorry about that.
On
like
AMD?
AMD. You know what? I'm gonna take AMD. Yeah, I have an order to go short on AMD. I'm expecting it to go through the 69.50, but I think it won't be able to hold. So let's see. Let's see how right I could be on that one or not. I got the order there. If it get me good, if it doesn't get me good. AMD And Tesla is what I have, so I can look at them very cooler. Like I don't have to do something else. So then AMD, as I say, short. I like the short in there. That short will be overall market related. No, like not because of the stock specifically. I don't think that there is anything wrong with the stock. I just think that the market wants to go lower, and I think that AMD is providing a more clear entry at 169.50 than the rest that we have just checked right now. So when we look at Tesla, Tesla is right now it's trending down very clearly. So, oh yeah, it's probably gonna try to break the trend here around there, but I think Tesla can go to 320 today probably. But don't listen to me too much, you know. No, it's true because it's like I have been like doing misbehaving, like taking wrong trades and things like that. So like Tesla 330 with 50 cents, there is a decent lot which is buying. Okay, there we go. If we pierce through that and we don't hold above that price, I think this is gonna go 320. The reason for that is because for Tesla, that's a big lot right there that they are showing off.
Okay.
So we're gonna go back to look at Tesla a little bit later. Let's look at Hood, which is one that I like to trade eventually. Hood, look at Hood, the same thing. Like you see those buyers trying to hold the price at very specific prices, like 109, let's say, right here. We're gonna wait for the interaction for that. There are two that we are waiting for the interaction, and one that we are waiting for the order to get crushed. But let's see what is going to happen. Tesla having interact with the 330.50.
Okay, see, I've got the same thing that
Yeah.
I've told you before.
Yeah, that's a limit order.
Yeah, so it's coming down.
Yeah,
It should get me on the down.
yeah, because you are getting long and you are willing to accept a better price, no a worse price. So if he tap it and he tap it fast enough that it won't be able to get any share below 50, like 550, it wouldn't get you. Like when you say limit, you are always saying I want that price or better. And when you go to the upside, a better price is, yeah, like you are saying there, no matter what, I'm not paying more than $25 per share.
Yeah, but
So if the cross and 25.01, you don't want the share at that price. You want it below.
yeah, but it should have gotten there when it crossed.
No, because the order like that is a stop limit order. What you want to have is just a stop order. That one will work. That one makes sense. But on the top, you have to use a stop order.
But it is on top.
Yeah, but it's exactly like. We're gonna be back just a second. All right, everybody. Basically, like nothing is working right now. Nothing is going that far. Like, of course, I have two trades that they are working, but what I'm saying is like the market's like taking a break, figuring out, I guess, what is going on. And
Do you blame them?
Tesla. I'm waiting for Tesla to print 330.50, and I was able to catch an AMD by luck. Well, by luck, like that was, yeah, like. So I catch AMD at that's a 169.53. It's a short, and yeah, I'm expecting this to go a little bit lower as well. But how low is that we don't know. Like, I mean, when I was looking at the tape on AMD, I say AMD and no, Tesla and Hood is the one I was waiting to print a specific number. But on AMD, it seems to be wanting to go to 68. 68 is around here, and we again we have to wait. Like why the we really have to wait because the SPY it did this big flush here, and now it's trying to figure out if it's gonna really go higher, which is looking decent. Like this angle here, in my opinion, is reliable. But if we were having like if we were following it like dollar by dollar, like minute by minute, we will say now that the uptrend or whatever uptrend is trying to put is decelerating. I don't know how you say that. But decelerating. Okay, so because it was like that at first, and then now it come and it put a lower line here instead of accelerating, decelerate. So right here. So sometimes that's good, sometimes that's not good. But like in the market conditions today, I will say that's not good because after having this big flush, like you try to break the trend, and like it's gonna take time, as I say. Like you want to have people with certain confidence about either direction, but that's not really happening. So we're just gonna be patient here and see what this thing wants to do. AMD tried to go back up. We still have the same trades like SoFi, BBAI.
My next trade is PLTR. Oh God. Hey, 60 cents enough money. So why didn't it get me there? See? So that's it went back down?
Yeah, that one you just have to upper side price.
But it didn't get me.
Yeah,
But it did get there.
If you look at the print, like look at the candle, like look at both candles, like just put your cursor on top of the candle. If you see at the print, like is the
550.
552.
550. That's the high.
552 is the high.
The low is 550.
Wait, 550. Yeah.
And
By
the
the
other
penny.
one, the same thing. So 2 candles that hit 550 and they
Yeah.
didn't give it to me.
You wick those 550.
Twice.
Yeah.
Twice.
This is the case where you wanna pay 551. The order is correct in there, so it's just
Jeez.
la 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 la
La la la la la.
la 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 long.
And it reversed right there. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So let's wrap it up. So today, like, I made a couple mistakes again, and like, yeah, like in Nvidia, I won't blame myself too much. Like, the trade I hold overnight. As I say, I have no choice. I didn't have any choice. I couldn't liquidate it before. So then I went long here, then I had, and then I got out. That was a okay loss, but like that was it. Like, I mean, I already had a loss from here plus this loss. That's a little bit sketchy there, but that trade, like, I didn't broke my rules in the second trade I took, and the only trade I took actually today, I didn't broke my rules. I just got out of that. It never worked, and I never touched it again because I didn't want to go short on Nvidia. And yeah, though you see, it really went down. The other thing I traded was Tesla. And in this one, I did very poorly. This one, yes, I have all the blames there. Like, I went short here, very little shares. Then I had little amount again, and I hold for this whole move against me. Then, like, strong conviction, but like that not necessarily correct. I hold it, and this thing is going down, and like, right now it's trying to recuperate with the rest of the market. Is it going to be able to recuperate? That's something that you have a lot to show before. Like the volume, if we look at the volume on Tesla, like, look with what type of volume did we sell off. When we have that in the long, we are not willing to go. Of course, we have this big volume on the long too, and that's why I was able to hold. But I think he went farther down than farther up, so I'm gonna still hold my shorts for a little bit there. And yeah, like, I can finish the day green, but it's gonna be tricky, man. Like, I mean, I say I am not holding for too late, so I probably gonna kill those trades at launch, no matter what they are, if they are good or not, unless I am able to put an order that will be getting me out automatically at 4. I think we can do that too, but I have to check it out. Like, probably I can say to that, no matter what, that 4 liquidate everything, but I have to check that out, as I say. And more than that, that's it for me. Not a horrible day, knowing that I had like 50% of my loss today. It was a overnight. More than 50% of my loss today was in that trade on Nvidia overnight. So which of course is insignificant compared to how much I did on PLTR the day a whole, like from Thursday to Friday. So for that, I am happy about that. Like, yes, I am, but I'm okay with that. But yeah, man, it's the biggest observation I have for this is like, yes, I am risking now like it's the same amount that I'm risking per day, let's say. But right now, instead of taking 0.15 cents, I am giving it like $1 or 50 cents, and like, I am not sure that this is a good idea under these market conditions. Like it's hard for me yet, but that's what we have to get good at, to say which one of those stop loss I'm gonna use. And like when you use the 0.15, it's not that you're gonna buy the same amount of shares. You really have to ramp up the shares. Like if you're gonna get stopped out by that, really compensate buying more or selling more shares, because like the loss has to be equal. If not, you're gonna be like offset whenever you're right. So under there are circumstances where not, I know, like there are trades that doesn't worth any risk. But yeah, so that's it for me. As I say, red day up to now, but it can be green. Let's see what is going to happen. What about you, Marie? What did you do?
So I traded Crowd Weave. I only gave it one shot, and I gave it one shot at, where was it? Long at 85, off at 90, and I got out at my stop loss. And then I was interested to trade it at 91. Thank God I didn't. It went back down, and yeah, it seems like that thing is not finding its bottom. So right now, 90 seems to be a big level. Like, I can't believe how much it dropped when you're looking at, so you're thinking, hey, you know what, it's going to find a bottom. It just dropped $65, right, within 2-3 days. So, yeah. So, that's it. So then I had Wolf. So Wolf, I was, same thing there. I gave it one shot. So I went long at 9.1. I added when it went at 9.06, and I got out at my stop loss, and now it's doing the same. It's retesting that high. So I got out there. I have BBAI that I still have. So BBAI I still have. I had an order at 550 to be able to add, but no. So my price is still pretty good. If I would have added there, it would have been amazing, a whole lot better. But right now I'm looking at 619. So let's hope that's going to work. And last but not least, I've got SoFi. So INTC is my, first of all, let's go INTC. INTC is my piss off. So I had a price at 24.50. You remember 24.50?
Yeah. Didn't get in by a couple cents.
Where is that? There.
Yeah, I have
53. So 3 cents. So then I had another order at 25 that I did not place properly, so it never got me, but it did cross through at 25. And then popped to 25.60, 26.60 almost, and then dropped back down. We'll see what's going to happen there. I would love to get a piece of that at 25 again. So I might be placing that order, but last but not least, I got SoFi. So SoFi had really, really good news. I took it at the VWAP at 24.55 at the VWAP. Then I added again. I had it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Okay. I took one partial at 24.15. And then I added again because, hey, that's what we do here. And yeah, so now I've got a total full position.
Yeah, like
I bettered my price, okay, because I literally started at 24.55, and now my price is 23.66. But
so you went to the 23. Well, where did I have the 900? Oh, it wasn't SoFi probably. Oh, is that that's not the tape? This is the tape I'm looking
no,
for.
it was 22.50. I
Yeah,
meant.
it's still there. Yeah. Okay.
So you can imagine. So, and then that's it for that one, and that's it for me. So BBAI I'll probably hold till overnight. I'm not sure about SoFi. So
Yeah, BBAI now and you are best friends, right? Like, what's
I
up,
keep
buddy?
saying, where? Larry's here?
No. Like, that's you on BBAI. You say, what's up, buddy? Like,
Oh, buddy, yeah.
we met you
I heard
today.
what's up, Larry, and
No.
I'm looking, and it's like, oh.
Yeah, no, it's you on BBAI that are
Yeah.
now brothers
Hey,
and sisters.
Eastman, bro. Yeah.
What's up, bro? Yeah, no, it's cool. Like, I like that you're training that. Like, I pay a lot of attention to what you did in general, but with BBAI from last week. But last week?
Yeah.
Yeah, last week, yeah. But yeah, so that's it for today. And yeah, very hard day to trade again. Like yesterday, and today was easier. I like easier than yesterday, though I did a bunch of mistakes anyways. But it was easier because the market was more directional. Like I look at the open, and like sometimes I see like, why can we keep doing the same so many times? Like I mean,
Well, you
Didn't
say
I s-
directional. It popped from the open, 642 to the PCL, came back at 642.50, then 644, then dropped
but when it went to 144, what did I told you?
to 644.
Yeah, when it went there, what did I say?
He's going to reverse and lunge.
And like, but if, then you back up, and at the beginning, what I say, like, at least today is not trap.
Yes.
It wasn't trap. It is saying I want to go short. It's just like I was a little bit confused or whatever. I don't know, but they're like foggy. But like to me, the market was a short from the open. That I didn't took any shorts relevant in that matter is like it's another story.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you called that resistance at 644.
So, but but yeah, like that's what I said. Like yesterday, it was really rangy. Like, but today, yes, it was rangy
It
for
was
a little bit,
ping-pong.
but now it's tanking. And I don't want to be too.
Yeah, and I wasn't able to flip on SoFi because of that insane good news of SoFi. I said it's gonna bounce, gonna bounce, gonna bounce, gonna bounce. I just stayed locked to the long there, which I definitely regret.
Yeah, and like,
And you called the short, right?
but yeah, but that's what I mean. Like, for example, like most of the days, I have the statement correct at the beginning, but whatever I did was something else. So yeah. So that's it for today. Then, like, yeah, we have to keep working in those bad habits. It's just bad habits, and we're gonna overcome those things. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope everybody have fun, and like we will see you tomorrow. So have a good day. Bye.
Bye.